Hey guys, welcome back in the channel again. And in my previous video, I did discuss about some of the questions which were faced by me during an interview with a multinational company. Now, in this video, I'll be discussing some of the questions which my friend faced recently in an interview. Right. So I feel you are also excited to know about the type of questions. Right. So stay tuned with me until the last, and I believe you will be in a good position after listening to these questions, and you are going to prepare very good after watching these questions. Okay, so let's start without wasting much of our time. So the first question which he faced was, what is the difference between instance and type parameters? Right, this is something related to the Revit. Now the second question was, what do you know about assembly code? Okay, this even he wasn't aware. And then the third question was, what is the difference between CAD link and import link? Import CAD and CAD link, right? So there are two ways we can import a file to the Revit or to the CAD, and we can always link, the drawing, right? Now, again, the next question was, do you have any idea about ISO 19650? Okay, as I've been pressing, I have been, emphasizing on this part. This is pretty much important. This is known as, the Bible for BIM process. Okay, and then the next question which he told me was about, what do you mean by TIDP, right? What do you mean by TIDP? So he was again like he was having the question mark. He was rambling around the answers. And okay, so the next question was it was about TIDP, and then yes, how you gonna check the accuracy of the model? Okay, the accuracy of a Revit model. So you see, if you have watched my previous videos, some of the questions are being repeated, right? And which is, of course, which is but obvious because these are the core, or you can say the fundamentals of the BIM process, the questions which are being repeated, right? So the how you going to check the accuracy of a Revit model if you have been given a model, and then the ISO, and another thing was the EIR and TIDP, which is of course a part of the EIR or BEP document only, or the collaboration. Now coming to the penultimate question, it was about how do you manage the IFC files? Okay, IFC files, you might be aware about the IFC files. So IFC files are industry foundation classes files. Okay, now coming to the last but not the least, it was about how much time you will take for modeling a staircase or maybe a 1 BHK house or similar kind of thing. So it was very subjective. I mean, that depends on the type of the structure you want to model. So they basically wanted to check the proficiency with the Revit software. All right. So this is all about the interview questions. If you want to know more questions or more stuff related to the BIM interview, BIM, BIM process as a whole. So I am there. You can reach out to me on my YouTube channel and subscribe to that, which is you BIM Tech, and I do have a Facebook group as well, BIMosphere. You can reach out there as well. And in the last, I would say, please do hit the like button after watching this small but informative video. I'm Parvez Khan signing out until we meet again.